Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on KuCoin. First, you will need to create a KuCoin account and complete the necessary identity verification steps. This ensures a secure trading environment for everyone. Once your account is set up, you can easily fund it using a variety of deposit methods, such as bank transfers or credit cards. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your account. This initial setup is quick and straightforward, getting you ready to trade in just a few minutes. One of the easiest ways to acquire Bitcoin on KuCoin is through the Fast Buy option. This feature allows you to quickly purchase Bitcoin using your local fiat currency. Simply select your desired fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, and choose a convenient payment method like a bank card or third-party payment provider. Always review the transaction details carefully, including the amount and price, before confirming your order. Your Bitcoin will then be deposited directly into your KuCoin account, usually within a few moments. For more control over your purchase, you can use KuCoin's spot trading interface. Here, you will typically select the BTC/US trading pair, which is Bitcoin against Tether, a stablecoin. You have two primary order types: a market order, which executes immediately at the current market price, or a limit order, allowing you to specify the exact price you wish to pay for your Bitcoin. This method offers flexibility, letting you buy at your preferred entry point, whether instantly or at a future price. After purchasing your Bitcoin, securing your assets is paramount. Consider transferring your Bitcoin to a personal hardware or software wallet for enhanced security, especially for larger amounts. Always ensure all available security features on your KuCoin account, such as anti-phishing codes and login notifications, are enabled. Staying informed about market trends and general cryptocurrency security best practices will also help protect your investments. Regularly checking your account activity can help you spot anything out of the ordinary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.